Heading out on the boat. Water went down, it's muddy, we got some plywood. Is with us?
No. No way.
We're gonna work on the door and put a window in on the back side. Line to meander. We need a slasher. If you know anybody that can slash, give us a call. We gotta clean landscape the front here.
I'll do my side first. Yeah. Let's put them together first. No, but the marks is fine.
I know it's just a 2x6. In front here. Huh? Got the door prepped out. Croy and Corey are working on the window.
That's that.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh, I need more nails, son.
Huh?
In that
More
black
nails.
box, give me nails. Outside.
See?
Oh, got the window prepped out. Me and Corey. Gonna put nails in 4 corners. And then I can draw the line on the outside and cut it with the skill saw. There. Let there shall be light. Check out their door, it's going in too. We need to fill it.
Don't need it. Or you could, yeah, you can hold it.
This side has to be tight.
I'm gonna put the
The
nails.
joint?
in.
Yeah, I mean, I have to push it tight.
Yeah.
You'll watch it.
No, you'll say when. Whoa, you got it? Wait, I'm gonna put the nails back.
What's that? Yeah? Oh. Which one? Cat.
Yeah, hold on, don't move. Okay, open it.
Oh, that is it.
There we go.
Can you put some strips here?
Like if you paint like all the one color, you would be able to notice it.
And then there was light.
Good enough. Don't hurt them. Don't hurt them. The door is good.
Slam it. Slam the door on Michael now.
Window got light in here. Oh, locked out. Just need to put the stove in here.
At least it's not
Out
gonna
the
be
side
cold.
there. You know.
Good. As long as it's not cold.
There we are. Burning good. All right, folks. Here's our bed. We're gonna go to bed now. And check out some more projects at Moose Camp that need to be done. Thank you for watching. Good night. I'll touch bases with you later. Alright. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It helps me, encourages me, and helps the channel. Thank you. Coda. 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 Hello.
Hello.
We got the door in. Corey got the door in.
You said door
We
two
don't need the air
times.
compressor. We're gonna take it.
Because you're sweating indefinitely.
They're not going up. Their mom is going to come back.
The window's in.